In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customer lists to Xero software. If you've got a customer database sitting in a spreadsheet and you want it available in Xero for invoicing and reporting, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and cleanly. Before we start, make sure you can sign into your Xero account with access to contacts and that your customer list is saved as a clean CSV or compatible file. Keep column headers tidy, avoid merged cells, and double-check emails and phone numbers for formatting issues so the import runs smoothly. First, head to your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, we'll navigate through the standard menus. No special add-ons required. This process works in any organization where you have permission to manage contacts. Next, open Contacts. You'll find it in the main navigation bar. This is Xero's hub for people and businesses you sell to or buy from. We're focusing on customers, so we'll keep everything on the sales side. Now, click Customers. This filters your contacts to just the people and companies you invoice. If you're moving data from another system, this is where your imported list will live, so it's helpful to get familiar with the layout for searching and sorting once the import is done. Look to the top right and click the three dots, sometimes labeled as the More Actions menu. This menu contains bulk tools that aren't always obvious at first glance. If you don't see it, make sure you're actually in the customer's view and not on a different tab. Choose Import and upload your file. Select your prepared CSV or supported file and follow the on-screen prompts. Xero will show you a mapping screen matching your columns like contact name, email, phone, and address to Xero's fields. Review each match carefully. If a column doesn't auto-match, use the drop-down to select the correct field. It's fine to leave optional fields unmapped if you don't use them. Watch out for duplicate names. Xero may ask whether to create new contacts or update existing ones. When in doubt, back up your list and proceed with Create New, then merge later if needed. After confirming the mapping, start the import and let Xero process the file. When it's done, you'll see a summary with any rows that need fixes. Correct any flagged issues in your CSV, like missing names or invalid emails, and re-upload if necessary. To finish, return to Customers and spot check a few records to confirm names, email addresses, and default details look right. That's it! Your customer list is now in Xero and ready for invoicing.